Most middle class people today work harder every year but earn less every decade. Your days are full, meetings, deadlines, more responsibility than before, and your income looks decent on paper. But one missed paycheck still feels dangerous. Not poor, just fragile. We usually explain this with simple answers like inflation, bad money habit, bad luck. But when the same pattern shows up across countries, across careers, across generations, it's rarely personal. This pattern has a name, it's called the middle class trap. At its core, the trap works like this. You trade time for salary. Then you use most of that salary to fund a respectable lifestyle instead of buying assets that generate income. From the outside, it looks comfortable. Decent cash flow, nice house, good education. But underneath, net worth grows slowly and dependence on the next paycheck stays very high, even at relatively high income. And once you are inside the trap, working more feels like the only option. Salaries are tied to hours and specialization, so increasing income usually means more work, more responsibility, or both. At the same time, real wages for many middle class roles have not grown much faster than inflation. So people work more just to maintain the same standard of living. And here's the second half of the trap. Every rise arrives and disappears. A better house, a better car, a better phone. Most of these are consumptions or liabilities, not assets. And that make this worse. EMIs, loans, credit cards, that turn future income into fixed obligation, leaving very little room to buy assets that actually produce income. And the system quietly pushes in this direction. The cost of a good life, housing, healthcare, education, urban living has risen faster than average wages. So the surplus needed for ownership keeps shrinking. And at the same time, many stable mid-skill jobs are becoming fragile, but social expectations around lifestyle have not adjusted downward. So the problem is not laziness and it's not the effort, it's that the system rewards ownership more than earning, but trains the middle class to optimize only for income. Escaping the middle class trap does not require extreme risk and it does not require quitting your job, it requires changing what you optimized for. First, prioritize asset building before lifestyle upgrades. Direct surplus systematically into things that can grow or produce cash, like equity, skill building, or side business. Second, cap fixed expenses and debt. So each income increase widens your investable margin instead of your EMI burden. Over time, you shift from being only an earner to being a partial owner. The middle class trap is not about being stuck forever, it's about playing a game without seeing the rules. Once the rules are clear, the choices change. So this is not financial advice, it's a system awareness. And awareness is always the first step out of any trap.